how you doing on YouTube? So I received my Fright crate. I believe it's from March, maybe. I forgot. So here's the quote that was written on the thing that they always do every month. So it's from Jordan Peele. Not a big fan of his, but whatever. It feels kind of hefty, so I can't wait to see what the fuck I got. So let me get my handy dandy knife. Come on, fucker. Alright. Let's see what I got. So I forgot what the themes were, really. So here's the shirt. And that was my magnet. Alright, let's see what the fucking thing is first. Oh, okay. So it's Pumpkinhead. That's fucking pretty awesome. Now, here's the shirt. Oh shit, fucking Dream Warriors. That's fucking nice. That is fucking awesome. Okay, so the shirt and the magnet there are pretty cool. Darkman pen. That's fucking pretty awesome. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Ooh. Mind your fuck. Holy shit, this is awesome. Chatter from Hellraiser. That is fucking awesome. That's nice. What is this? Okay, patch. Creature from the Black Lagoon. Very cool. I believe that is it. So here's what came. Here's a little checklist. Okay. Okay, very good. So that's what came in the box. So yeah, pretty fucking kick-ass. I love doing these. I think I missed out on April or May. I think April I missed out on. But yeah, I love doing these. These are fucking fantastic. I love that fucking Chatterer. Where the fuck did I put it? I just had it. Oh, duh. But yeah, look at that. That is fucking awesome. And this is a magnet. Hey, this is fucking nice. This is really fucking nice. So thank you, Fright Crate. Put that right there. So yeah, thank you for watching. That's all I got. So hit that subscribe button if you like. And that's it. Stay classy.